Hey guys, this is Jack Presley here from Allison Boats presenting to you the new 2024 XB21 Bass Sport 2+2. This is our new redesigned 4-seater bass boat. The main feature of the new 2024 XB21 Bass Sport 2+2 is the redesigned consoles. Our research and development team has worked on and off for the past 2 years trying to make a new modern console that fits 12-inch graphs in the console. The main feature of these is that they flip up, allowing for more storage and easy access for your fuses. The passenger side console flips up as well, adding more storage in the glove box and the hidden compartment. All Allison XB21 hulls are all hand laid with handmade, hand-stitched boat seats and fiberglass buckets that come standard with the boat. The Allison XB21 is the most fuel efficient and technologically advanced hull on the market. The Allison XB21 hull gets 2 to nearly 3 times the gas mileage of competitors' boats at their top speed. The recommended horsepower for this boat is 225 horsepower V6 4-stroke engine from Mercury. Allison XB21 2+2 comes standard with the flip-up console, 4 seats, a 35-gallon live well, 35-gallon gas tank with a 3-gallon reserve, the electronic pedestal, and with the new consoles, you can now fit up to a 12-inch graph in the dash, and we even make a molded fiberglass piece to sit a second graph at the dash off to the side. With that being said, this is the ultimate guide and high school angler boat. With 4 seats, you can comfortably fit 4 people and fish 4 people in this boat, no problem. With the 60 square foot deck, you can easily fish 2 people on the front deck, and you can house all of your fishing equipment with 75 cubic foot of storage, along with up to 25 or more rods in the rod compartments. Another important feature that makes this boat a tournament boat is we have custom-made molded plano box that fit inside of your boxes to make your baits easy access and to make them storable. Most people have an organizing problem, at least how I've seen in fishing tournaments, and this allows you to be organized and efficient while fishing. The 60 square foot of deck space that we have here allows for 2 people to fish comfortably on the front of the boat, both people to look at the graph due to the electronic pedestal, and enough storage to fish for an entire week. The boat comes standard with a 3-bank stealth charger. The stealth charger has a reader right above the E-pad that tells you your voltage of the batteries. The Allison team thanks you for watching. If you have any other questions, you can see AllisonBoats.com to look at the boat, build your own boat, and find a dealer near you. Thank you.